Practice English listening. Grocery shopping adventure. It's a sunny Saturday morning, and Oliver is excited. Today, he is going grocery shopping with his dad. Oliver loves going to the grocery store because he gets to pick out his favorite foods and help his dad find everything on their list. Are you ready to go, Oliver? His dad asks as he grabs the shopping list from the kitchen counter. Yes, Dad. Let's go. Oliver replies enthusiastically. He puts on his sneakers and grabs a reusable shopping bag. Together, they walk to the car and drive to the grocery store. When they arrive, the parking lot is busy. They find a spot and head inside. The automatic doors slide open, and a rush of cool air greets them. Oliver grabs a shopping cart and pushes it through the aisles. What's first on the list, Dad? He asks. His dad looks at the list and says, We need to get some fruits and vegetables first. Oliver and his dad walk to the produce section. Oliver loves all the bright colors of the fruits and vegetables. He picks up a shiny red apple and puts it in the cart. Can we get some bananas too? He asks. Of course, his dad says, handing him a bunch of bananas. What's next? Oliver looks at the list and reads, We need carrots, lettuce, and tomatoes. They find the carrots and lettuce easily, but the tomatoes are on a high shelf. Can you reach them, Dad? Oliver asks. His dad smiles and reaches up to grab a few ripe tomatoes. Got them, he says, placing them gently in the cart. Next, they head to the dairy section. We need milk, cheese, and yogurt, Oliver says. He grabs a carton of milk and puts it in the cart. His dad picks out a block of cheese and a few cups of yogurt. We're doing great, Oliver, his dad says. Oliver feels proud. He loves helping his dad shop. They move on to the bread aisle. Do we need bread, Dad? Oliver asks. Yes, we do. Let's get a loaf of whole wheat bread, his dad replies. Oliver picks out a loaf of bread and adds it to the cart. As they continue shopping, Oliver spots the cereal aisle. Can we get some cereal, Dad? He asks. Sure. Let's pick out your favorite one, his dad says. Oliver chooses a box of crunchy oat cereal. He can't wait to have it for breakfast tomorrow. They continue down the aisles, picking up pasta, canned beans, and a jar of peanut butter. When they reach the snack aisle, Oliver looks at his dad with hopeful eyes. Can we get some cookies? He asks. His dad laughs. Okay, but just one pack, he says. Oliver happily grabs a pack of chocolate chip cookies and puts it in the cart. Finally, they reach the frozen foods section. We need some frozen peas and a bag of ice. Oliver reads from the list. They quickly find both and add them to the cart. We're almost done, his dad says. Just one last thing. Ice cream. Oliver's eyes light up. Yes, let's get vanilla, he suggests. His dad agrees and they pick out a tub of vanilla ice cream. With their cart full, they head to the checkout. Oliver helps his dad unload the items onto the conveyor belt. The cashier scans each item, and soon everything is bagged up and ready to go. Thank you for helping me today, Oliver. You did a great job, his dad says as they walk back to the car. Oliver smiles proudly. I had fun, Dad. Can we go grocery shopping again next week? Of course, buddy, his dad replies. We make a great team. They load the groceries into the car and drive home, both happy about their successful shopping adventure.